Hi, I'm Keith from the Cranky Pressman. The first thing they taught me in printing school was there's 12 points to a pica. And that's what we're going to talk about today. The whole point and pica system and how it has been the cornerstone to typography and letterpress printing. The term point supposedly originated in the 15th century. Point is the smallest measurement in typography and was supposedly inspired by the width of a lead musket ball, which seemed mighty big to me. But my research assistant explained to me that back then the type was larger because they couldn't cast any smaller. So the point size has gotten smaller and smaller as our technology for casting type has allowed us to cast type smaller and smaller. But the pica is standard for furniture, the different pica lengths, or the riglet, which these are all in pica lengths, and the leading, which is mostly in pica line lengths. And the width is usually either a pica wide or a half a pica or 6 points. The reason that the point and pica system matters is standardization of measurement. And it helps keeping things standard from different time periods, different regions, and different type manufacturers. So everything is standard. The leadings, 6 point, 20 pica. The furniture, you have your 5 pica, 20 pica. Then you have your riglets, pica width, 31 length. You can even cut. The saw was created for points and picas from 14 points to 12 points. So the whole point and pica system has even translated into computers. Your leading is the same. A 6 point type is a 6 point type, and a 48 point type is a 48 point type. And even in your beloved Illustrator, it still has, you can change it to picas on your board. So this is why the system matters. When it comes to a lockup, you do in a chase. Most presses have chases, whether it's a windmill Heidelberg or a C&P Platen or even a Vandercook proof press. You can put it in a chase, and if you lock it up so you know exactly where it is with points and picas, and you keep the coins to one side and the measure to the other side, this way you can lock it up and you can make fine adjustments if needed. So in other words, if you have to, instead of moving your pins, you can come in and just move your type by taking your 6 point and moving it down there. So you moved it down, and it worked on the other side too. Then you just lock it back up and you don't have to move the pins. And this is why the point and pica system matters. So we'll see you soon.